Every second, the sun releases more energy than all nuclear bombs ever built combined. But here's the strange part. The sun isn't burning, there is no fire in space. What powers it is a reaction so extreme, we still can't fully control it on Earth. It's called nuclear fusion, and it's the reason you and everything you love exist. In this video, we are answering one powerful question. How does nuclear fusion actually power the sun? We'll break it down in a way that's easy to understand, no PhD required, and what you learn might just change how you see every sunrise. Because what's happening 150 million kilometers away is directly responsible for every second of your life. 4.6 billion years ago, the sun didn't exist. There was just a cold cloud of gas and dust, mostly hydrogen, but gravity had other plans. The cloud collapsed inward, forming a spinning ball of gas. As it shrank, the pressure and temperature in its core skyrocketed. When the core reached 10 million degrees Celsius, something incredible happened. Atoms stopped repelling and started fusing. That moment lit up the first spark of nuclear fusion. That's how the sun was born, the first star in our solar system, lighting up a future that didn't even exist yet. At the sun's core, the temperature is around 15 million degrees Celsius and the pressure is so intense, atoms lose their electrons. What's left is a soup of particles called plasma, where nuclei move so fast they can crash into each other and stick. And here's what happens. Two protons collide. Not only they repel, but in this heat and pressure, they overcome that. One turns into a neutron, forming a deuterium. This releases a positron and a neutrino. And when a third proton collides with the deuterium, you now get helium-3 plus gamma radiation, which is pure energy. And when then two helium-3 nuclei collides, they form helium-4 and release two protons back into the mix. And here's the magic. The total mass of the helium is slightly less than the four original protons. The missing mass, that's converted into energy. That's E is equal to mc square in action. And in just 1 second, the sun converts 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium, but 4 million tons of that simply vanishes. Not lost, but transformed into light, heat and energy. But here's the twist. That energy doesn't escape instantly. It takes tens of thousands, even hundreds of thousands of years to reach the surface. Sunlight hitting your face today started its journey when early humans were painting caves. It's been bouncing through plasma for millennia just to reach you. Your mind's blown, right? Keep watching, because what happens in the sun's outer layer is even stranger. Without fusion, there would be no sun, no light, no warmth, no planet, nothing. Every tree, every ocean and every human exists because four tiny hydrogen atoms became one helium atom and released energy. Every heartbeat, every breath, every grain of sand came from this atomic dance. The warmth you feel on your skin each morning is the echo of atoms dancing millions of years ago, 150 million kilometers away. And today scientists are trying to recreate fusion here on Earth. Clean energy, zero carbon, the power of a star on our planet. But the sun still does it better, flawlessly, constantly and for billions of years. And while we burn coal and split atoms, the sun simply fuses silently, endlessly. So now you know the sun isn't on fire, it's a nuclear engine, and nuclear fusion is a core of everything, literally. But here's the real mystery. Why is the outer layer of the sun, the corona, hotter than the surface itself? It defies logic, it defies physics, and it's the topic of our next video. And if you think this video is informative, give this video a like, hit subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. And I'll meet you in the next video.